What's up, fellas? It's Chuck back with Chuck Hobby Spot. It's been a while since I put a video out, so I wanted to do a quick video because I got something in the mail today and you guys can see what I got. So these resin motors are awesome. I mean, resin printing has just totally evolved. I mean, I never thought 5 years ago we'd see stuff like this in the community, but man, if you guys haven't seen Iceman collection stuff, you guys gotta check this stuff out. And it doesn't need that much work to put them together. It's just awesome stuff. This is actually the second shipment I've ordered from him, and I ordered this motor, and I'll show you in a sec. I put it together, and man, I'm impressed. So Joel with Iceman's collection, I think his name's Joel Mendoza, man, good job, dude. I mean, I'm impressed. I ordered 4 engines this time, and I wanted to do a quick review on these things, and then I'll show you how they build up at the end of the video. I'm going to show you this. So let's go ahead and break out the first motor here. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and move these things aside, and I'm going to adjust the camera a little bit so we can see. But my area is a little messy today, but I did want to do a video just to show you guys what this stuff's all about. Man, I'm super impressed. So, and I got another announcement at the very end of this video that I wanted to show you guys, or tell you guys about. So look at how clean this is. They break off at this. I don't want to take them off here, but they come off real easy. Look at the detail on this. I mean, let me see. Maybe this lighting's not doing me any justice here, but man, I'm telling you, look at the detail on that. Look at them carburetors. Pulleys, man, I mean, they're crisp. Everything on here is super crisp. I love the headers. Look at that. So if you're hesitant on buying one of these from Iceman Collections, I'm telling you, don't be. Because I was, and I'm going to be honest, I was. And I'm not no more, that's for sure. I'm a believer. and I'm impressed. This particular engine's going to be this one here. It's the vintage blown big block Chevy with the Hillborn and with the Dominator carbs on it. So I'm impressed with it. I'll save this one for last, that other one for last, because it's this new one on the market. A couple of these valve covers a couple of these are off the tree, and it's a good opportunity to show you guys the quality, actually. So this motor here. It's the one with the fuel injector with the stacks. And I want to show you guys something. Look at how clean that is. I mean, the cleanup's actually almost nothing. I mean, you get a little bit. I mean, I'm not going to say nothing just because, you know, but man, look at these. Usually they'd be eroded and crappy, but I can tell this 3D printing is evolved, man. It's next level. So what came off this, I mean, look how easy this stuff comes off. Look how clean that is. I mean, I can't believe how clean it is. And that's zoomed in, so I mean, you're looking, it's just awesome, great stuff. It's good. And the scale, I'll show you how the scale seems to be, meaning size is just spot on, man. I mean, I can't believe how good it is. I said I'd show that one last, so I'm telling you guys, Iceman Collections, I'm telling you. And he's not paying me to do this, so I'm doing this because I want to. This here is the 429, and it looks like it's got the throttle body injection on it. But look how clean that is. Look at that. I mean, it's super nice, man. Great stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave this one out. And I'll put it in a minute because we're running on 6 minutes of this video. Check this one out. This is the new 572 supercharged one that came out on Saturday, and I went ahead and bought it just because I bought that LSX 454 from him when it first came out a couple weeks ago. Look at this. It's supposed to be this engine here, and that's the one that just came out. And man, it's everything that I thought it would be. God does great work. And now, you know, you're always going to have the haters or whatever, but man, I'm going to show you just what these things can look like built up, okay? Just a little bit of work, and these things can be next level. I mean, they can win awards. They come off here very easy. So let's move this aside. Man, I can't express how awesome this stuff is. This is that new LSX, which it's an LS motor. It's this motor here, but it comes with a bunch of extra stuff on here. I chose to build it this way, and I've wired the whole thing and plumbed it, and you know, it's got a couple things I gotta do to it. Let me see if I can get some light on this. You can tell this thing builds up. I mean, just beautiful. I drilled the block and put a dipstick in it, and this is exactly what you can do to these things. The detail on this, it's just beautiful, man. And that's gonna go in this here. So that's gonna go in my Nova, and I've got a cowl hood for it over here. I just been working on the motor. So this is what they can look like, and I don't want to touch this too much, but it's gonna have, because it's got chrome on it, so it's actually gonna have air cleaners. I'm gonna go ahead and move this, that come out like this from the throttle body. So even these air cleaners are so nice, man. I mean, they're crisp. Usually the air cleaner itself is just a mess, but his work is impeccably nice. He's got it dialed in, man. This guy knows what he's doing. And I do appreciate having someone like this in the community and the hobby that we can buy stuff like this from. It just makes things a whole lot easier for me. So with that being said, this video is running on 9 minutes. My announcement is in about a week, I think, I'm going to be on Lucas C's Unpodcast. We went ahead and did an Unpodcast Saturday. And I don't even know if I'm supposed to say anything until he announces it, but I'm going to announce it anyway. I don't care. He's my buddy. He doesn't care. So go ahead and look for that. So I thought it was a pretty good interview, and it was pretty cool. So that's pretty much all I've got to really hit on. I haven't been on YouTube for a little bit just because my dog had passed away, so it's been a little rough around the shop here. He's not in the shop, and it's kind of weird. So I've had him quite a while, and yeah, that was my boy. So, but dude, again, Iceman Collections, and why do you watch this crap? I got this thing from James Tester over at Scale Model Experiment, and I'm gonna probably put that in a lot of my videos. That's kind of cool. So thanks, James. Thanks again. And why do you watch this crap? So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video at that, and I will see you. I'll talk to you guys this weekend for sure. So you guys have a good rest of the week, and take care, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching my crap. And again, thanks Iceman Collections. Bye.